At Martin Supply, we are built on family. Founded 85 years ago in 1934 by Lewis Martin, a self-made entrepreneur who distributed industrial supplies and repair parts to Alabama markets during the Great Depression. His entrepreneurial spirit, loyalty, and integrity live on today in his 3 grandsons, and have shaped Martin Supply into one of the highest regarded industrial distributors in the nation. What hasn't changed is our commitment to our customers. We've never allowed our growth to take the place of our purpose, to provide custom-tailored solutions that help companies operate better. In doing so, we've been able to build solid, long-lasting relationships that have helped propel our customers toward success. As we celebrate our 85th year in business, we express our heartfelt thanks to those, both past and present, whose trust and belief in Martin has enabled us to reach this milestone. As we look to the future, we look forward to continuing the journey with you and discovering even more ways to help your company operate better.